Thank you everyone for the great session. And my apology in advance in case I lose connection again. So for this closeout, I first would like to thank all the planning committee, all the audience for your participation, for the speakers, panelists for the great discussion. As many of you may know, complex generic drug products generally did not exist in 1984 when Hatch-Waxman amendments were enacted. So in 1984, generic drugs only accounted for about 19% of all prescription drug purchases in the United States. That number now is more than 90%. Yet we recognize we still have a limited number of generic products on the market for complex dosage forms. With the implementation of GDUFA, it has allowed FDA to really build a scientific and evidence-based foundation for the feasible and effective development of complex generic products. We believe this is the direction in which much of industry is moving toward. So one of our GDUFA commitments is to publish research outcomes each year, and this workshop and several other future workshops mentioned by Dr. James Pauly this morning are part of this commitment. As Dr. Kozak mentioned in his keynotes, today's workshop is aimed at engaging stakeholders in discussions of current and emerging scientific approaches for IVRT and IVIVC in generic development as well as regulatory evaluation. We learned how GDUFA research programs support the investigation of drug development challenges and help us establish the scientific framework for facilitating ANDA assessment and explore new tools in the area of IVRT, IVIVC for ophthalmic, injectable, implantable complex products. So during today's discussion, I hope the audience has learned some of the most recent research progress IVRT and IVIVC in the area of ophthalmic and injectable implantable products. And you have also heard some common deficiencies that have been seen during ANDA assessment for ophthalmic and intravaginal products. So we strongly encourage early engagement during your generic development program to open a dialogue between your company and the FDA. We also greatly appreciate any feedback and research ideas you may have to facilitate development of targeted regulatory research projects. So with that, I conclude the sessions for today's workshop. All the slides as well as recording of this workshop will be available in about 3 weeks, and the registrants will be emailed when available. So I'd like to thank everyone again for your participation and contribution. Hope you enjoyed a good rest of your day. Thank you.